From hard to soft surfaces and light to heavy stains and odors, the interior of your car has many variables when it comes to cleanliness. Luckily, Turtle Wax's Power Out Fresh Clean All-Surface Cleaner provides both powerful stain and odor removal and covers a wide variety of surfaces and scenarios, making your job easier. Though not for use on glass or tech screens, surfaces including plastic, vinyl, leather, wood, and carpet are all easily cleaned and refreshed, while Odor-X technology destroys odors on a molecular level, leaving behind a fresh kinetic scent for up to 30 days. Directions for use are simple. Shake the bottle well and follow by spraying the easy-to-use formula onto the surface to be cleaned. Then, firmly wipe away with a clean, dry microfiber towel and repeat the application and wiping if necessary. For more absorbent surfaces like cloth, headliner, or carpet, after firmly wiping the surface, follow by blotting the area with your microfiber towel to absorb and aid in the drying process. Turtle Wax's Power Out Fresh Clean All-Surface Cleaner is the easy-to-use answer to all interior stain and odor needs.